Hello everyone! Start off by drawing the shape of a heart. On top of this heart, add a head. Now connected to this head, make the person look like they are wearing a mask. Then add eyes to this head. Now on top of the head, add a little hat to it. Underneath the heart, add a dress. This will be the coat of a doctor. On either side of the heart, add some wings to it. Once again, this will be representative of a doctor. Underneath it all, add the feet of the doctor. Take a sheet of paper, fold it up into half, and then add a watermelon onto it. That is, draw on a watermelon onto it. Now open up the sheet of paper as such and then seal it. In the middle, add a small ovular shape and then add a small little pig to it. Start off by drawing the snout and then add on the eyes and the mouth to it. Add the ears and then the rest of the body. Make it look like it is standing on the watermelon. Open and close it as you please. Draw numbers from 1 to 6 on a sheet of paper. Starting with number 1, make this particular pumpkin looking fruit on the first number. Connect it on all ends. As for the number 2, make this small shape out of it. This will be a sausage. Next, out of the number 3, connect either end and then it should look like grapes. As for number 4, make a maze shape out of it. Make the checks that need to be there for the corn portion and then around it, add the leaves. Now, as for the number 5, make an apple out of it. Once you have made the apple, add the leaf to the top. Also draw on a carrot right next to the number 5. Now start off by drawing a tree. However, that is not how you draw a tree. Instead, move low onto the page and then start off by drawing the branches. Make multiple branches as such. Then make a W shape on each of these branches. Add lines on the bark of the tree and then add the top of the tree onto it. Begin by outlining the top of the tree as such and then color it in. As for the bottom of the tree, use brown marker in order to color it into its place. Make sure that it is a lighter shade of brown as such. Write numbers from 0 to 5. Starting with the number 0, make a pumpkin-like shape out of it. Now moving on to the number 1, you will make this particular leaf-like shape out of it, which is a vegetable. Now moving on to the number 2, make this shape out of it and you are making carrots. Color it in as you please. Now moving on to the number 3, make chilies out of it, jalapeno peppers, and then add the top green portion as well. Out of the number 4, make a maze out of it. Add the corn and then add the leaf on either side. Make a pumpkin-like shape out of number 5. Next, start off by drawing the semi-ovular shape. You will be drawing a head. As for the hair portion of it, add many curvy lines or rather swirly lines to the top as such. Then add the rest of the hair to it and then add a cute little smiley face with the expressions as well. Add a bow to the top as such. Now proceed on to the neck and then continue on to draw the neck. Draw the little top portion of the girl's dress as such and then when you come to the bottom, make it a poofy little skirt as such. Add hands to it. Add hands to the girl on either side. Don't forget to differentiate the thumb from the rest of the fingers. Now once you reach the bottom, add the feet of the girl, that is the legs. Add cute little shoes to her as well. Add a little bow at the back. Now color it in as you please. Next, start off by drawing a circular shape first and then draw the legs of the tortoise. Instead of this, start off by drawing a semi-ovular shape. Underneath it, add the legs and then proceed to add a big head to it. Add the tail and then connect it to the legs. Now draw a shape on the top of the tortoise and then connect it to the circle. Add a cute little smiley face and then color the top in green as such. Color the bottom in a slightly beige-like shade. There you have yourself a better turtle. Thank you for watching.